everyone, this is Priya from Priya Beauty Square, and today's topic is like most asked, and actually what I feel is like whenever I have got a chance to do makeups, people are mostly confused that it takes a longer time, we have to use a lot of products, and how we do that. So just to be very honest here, I'm not an expert about that, but what I can tell you is like I can tell you something which you can use in couple of minutes. You can take you can just break this rule which always says that women take hours to get ready. It's not true. We can get ready in less than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do a makeup on me today, which I usually do whenever I go out, except parties, in 7 minutes. How many minutes? In 7 minutes. I have a timer set here, and I'm gonna use just few products, not everything I'm gonna use, since I'm gonna finish it in 7 minutes, but it will prep your mind that you can easily do it. Actually, I did this a lot of time in my car whenever I'm going out, even sometimes during the driving. I'm not recommending it to you, but just in case if you need. So I have a bag like this, and I have a bag like this, so I keep some stuff in it and keep in the car. Whenever I'm rushing to somewhere, I just do few things and just get ready and presentable. Before we start, I'm going to show you this. So we have a timer here, and I'm going to start it right now. Here it is. So we have to do very fast. So I just washed my face, and I have lotion on my face already. I'm going to use my sunscreen as a primer, just a little bit. I'll be very quick so that I can cover everything. I'm gonna mix it with some serum, which I use a very little bit, so it will be easy for it to spread out. I do have a separate primer, but I like this one much better whenever I have less time. So at least this step I can do before I start. And before starting anything, if you use your hands like me, wash your hands very nicely, even if you are doing in the car or somewhere. So you can see it give me a good layer of priming my face, and then moisturizing as well. The next is I'm using a CC cream or a concealer, something like this. I like this one because it's very quick. I just use it at some places wherever I have the spots. So you can see it here. 1 minute is already gone. We have to be really quick. I'm just gonna tab it. So you can see some of them are covered, and I'm not a big fan of covering all the spots. I do have orange concealer, but I don't prefer to cover all the things like the natural stuff as well. The third thing I'm gonna use is my foundation. I use everything on my hands. It's just more easier for me to blend. So you might see a little bit of craziness, like going foundation everywhere, but that's fine as long as I'm on time for now. Always use the right strokes, even if you are using less stuff. I'm gonna use a little bit of a CC cream. I just put it like this so that it's easier for me, just to prime my eyes, so it will be easy to show a little bit of color. In the daytime, I don't prefer to use too much colors on my eyes, but a little bit looks nice. So you can see it's like whatever spots and everything was there, they are covered. I'm gonna use a little bit of powder. Might not be using the right brush, but don't worry about that as long as we are on time. Just so that it makes the concealer, mix it properly, and it will cover the eyes nicely. So now I'm gonna use I use one palette only mostly whenever I'm in rush. So I use a very plain color, something like this I'm using right now, and I apply a little bit all over on both eyes first. You won't see many techniques here, but all I wanted to show you that we can get it done in 5 to 7 minutes quickly. So this was a very neutral color which I used. Now I'm gonna go for I have a napkin here just to clean the brush. I'm gonna go for a specific green color according to my dress, just a little bit, so that it looks nicer. We can do a lot of things with the eyes, but not right now according to the time. And I'll tell you a secret which makes it look really good, and you can blend it a little bit with the eyes. Tapping is a good idea to do instead of rubbing, and you can use the same brush under your eyes just to give the same color. We have to run fast, it's already 5 minutes. And I use a brush like this and take the same green color, and then I put on my lashes, just on my eyeliner where we use the black liner. Instead of that, I like to use the same color like this, show the eyes more visible. I'm gonna use a lighter color here to show my brow bones, just a very little bit. Now I'm gonna quickly do the mascara. So I like to do both of them so that I don't have to use the lashes. This is the volume one. I don't have much time, so I'm going to use the same brush very lightly in my eyebrows also, and a little bit of length mascara to increase the length. This looks good. I'm gonna use a little bit of powder on my face. I'm not going to do any contouring or anything, because anyways I don't do it in the afternoon whenever I go out, except if I'm going to parties. Just a little bit of blush, that too I don't want to show too much. Little bit of shine. What left is my kajal. I'm going to use something like this. I just have few seconds left, almost there, and the last thing left is lipstick. And you can see we have done in 7 minutes. The time is over and I'm ready here. So I already did my hairs, and you can do this much makeup very easily in your car or anywhere, just in 5 to 7 minutes. The another 3 minutes I give you to dress up and put some jewelry, which I already did because I was at home. And then just let me know how I look. If you like the video, just hit the like button so that I can do more for you, and then lot of information videos are on the way for you. If you have any questions, you can ping me on Facebook, Pia Beauty Squad, and Instagram, Pia Beauty Squad, and same on the YouTube. So for now, bye bye.